Why AI gets cause and effect wrong. Every summer, ice cream sales go up, and every summer, drowning deaths go up. So here's a question. Should governments ban ice cream? Obviously not. Most of us can immediately tell that something is missing from that conclusion, and surprisingly, AI can make the same mistake. It sees patterns, lots of them, and sometimes those patterns look far more meaningful than they really are. This mistake sits at the heart of modern AI, and understanding it may reveal just how far today's AI still has to go. Imagine you're building an AI system. You feed it data, millions of images, billions of words, customer purchases, medical records, anything you can measure. The AI starts searching for patterns. Dogs usually have fur. Clouds often appear before rain. People who buy one product often buy another. The more data it sees, the better it becomes at prediction. And prediction is incredibly useful. It's how recommendation systems work. It's how spam filters work. It's how language models generate convincing responses. In many ways, a remarkably powerful one. But prediction and understanding aren't the same thing. Consider another example. Children with larger shoe sizes often read better. That sounds important, until you realize the real explanation is age. Older children have bigger feet. Older children also read better. Shoe size was never the reason. It was simply connected to the real cause. And the world is full of relationships like this. Ice cream sales and drowning deaths. Shoe size and reading ability. Firefighters and fire damage. The patterns are real. The conclusions often aren't. Here's the challenge. AI doesn't see causes. It sees observations, data points, measurements, events. All it knows is, this happened, then that happened. These two things often appear together, again and again. To the AI, reality looks like a giant spreadsheet. Rows, columns, patterns. But causes don't live inside spreadsheets. They exist in the real world. Let's return to the ice cream example. The AI notices more ice cream sales, more drownings, strong relationship. Yet the answer is something neither variable is showing you. Hot weather. Hot weather sends people out to buy ice cream. It also sends more people swimming. More swimmers naturally means more accidents. The relationship was real. The explanation was hidden. And that's often how causality works. The most important factor is frequently the one you never measured. This isn't just a philosophical problem. It affects real decisions. A company launches an advertising campaign and sales increase. Did the campaign work? Maybe. Or maybe demand was already rising. A hospital notices patients receiving a treatment survive more often. Did the treatment save lives? Possibly. Or perhaps healthier patients were more likely to receive it. The pattern alone can't tell us. Because the question people actually care about isn't what tends to happen. It's what caused it. Which raises an important question. What is intelligence really? Is it simply predicting what comes next? Humans constantly ask questions that go beyond prediction. What if I moved to another city? What if this medicine didn't exist? What if we change one thing and left everything else the same? Those questions aren't about patterns, they're about cause and effect, and answering them requires something deeper than prediction. And that's what makes this so tricky. The AI wasn't actually wrong. Ice cream sales really do rise alongside drowning deaths. The data is accurate. The pattern exists. The mistake happens when a pattern starts looking like an explanation, because patterns are only clues. The real story lies underneath, in the causes. And until AI can reliably separate the two, it may remain incredibly good at predicting reality, without fully understanding it. And that may be the most dangerous assumption hidden inside AI. Every breakthrough begins with a question. Subscribe to Quantum Minds for more explorations into AI, intelligence, causality, and the hidden forces shaping our world.